Hi everyone, it's Denbighshire Wildflower Week, and today I'd like to draw your attention to one of our most underappreciated wildflowers, the dandelion. The name dandelion comes from French and means lion's tooth, we think based on the shape of the leaf. Did you know that there are over 200 subspecies of dandelion, which is why they can all look quite varied? Often considered a weed, this beautiful golden flower is really important for our wildlife. As it flowers from March until October, it's an important source of nectar, both in early spring and late autumn for our bees and other pollinator species. Every part of the dandelion is edible and has been used in cooking and home remedies across Europe and Asia for centuries. You can use it to make dandelion wine, dandelion and burdock, even a dandelion coffee substitute made out of the roots, as well as home remedies for liver disease, digestive problems, toothache, and even baldness. Consider allowing dandelions to flower in an area of your garden. To find out more about our wonderful wildflower species, come along to one of our guided wildflower walks.